Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom page template in WordPress, a skill that will completely transform how your website looks and functions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design and implement a unique page template from scratch. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your WordPress homepage and click the login button. For a faster and secure login, you can select Continue with Google, which saves you the hassle of remembering another password. Once you're in, you'll be at your WordPress dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Next, navigate to the Quick Link section on your dashboard and click Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor, where you can make live changes to your website. It's super intuitive and gives you full control over your page layout. Now, let's create a new template. In the site editor, find the templates option. Once you're there, click Add Template at the top right corner. From the options, select Custom Template. This allows you to start designing completely from scratch, giving you ultimate creative freedom. It's important to give your template a clear and memorable name, something that makes it easy to find later. Once you've named it, hit Create, and WordPress will set up a fresh template ready for your design. Here comes the fun part, designing your template. Start by choosing a foundational pattern that matches your vision. Then use the site editor to customize the layout, add your content, tweak styles, and make it uniquely yours. You can drag and drop blocks, adjust colors, change fonts, basically make it reflect your brand perfectly. And the best part, you can preview your changes live before publishing. And that's it. You now know how to create a custom page template in WordPress from start to finish. It's a simple but powerful way to give your website a professional and unique look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.